Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this effect using the mesh Flipbook in UE5 Niagara, and that mesh Flipbook is not new in UE5. It was also there in UE 4.27 and I think 4.26 also. And in this video you will learn what is this feature, how to use that from scratch like I used it in this robot model. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, like, share and comment. So as you can see, this full model is, you know, destructive effect. I created this. So actually this model is not fracturing, it is dividing into the each element. So each mesh is just dividing and they are just taking the initial position again. So how I did that, first you need to understand the concept how it works. So I'll create a new folder here, test. Okay, and I'll take a new map also. Okay, so in this test folder, let's say in Maya, let it Maya open. So Maya has opened, and let's say you have something in Maya like you have a sphere and then you have multiple spheres, like you have placed multiple times like here and here and maybe here. Okay, and you want these placements should come in the Niagara, and you should not do one by one. It should be automatically, it will take the all 4 or maybe 400 spheres location in Niagara. So how you'll do that?